The Prairie State Energy Campus is made up of 400 million tons of coal in the ground. That's basically a 5-mile wide by 7-mile long block of coal. It's 250 feet under the ground. It's 6.5 to 8 foot thick. We'll be able to recover about 200 million tons of that over the next 30 years, which is more than enough chemical energy to supply our 1,600 megawatt power plant that we built directly across the street.
Now more than ever, we need to prove that coal has a place in the future of energy, and the only way we can do that is by having the most advanced technology incorporated into the environmental controls, and that's what you're seeing at Prairie State now.
Our permits here at the plant are on the leading edge of pollution control in the country. Our equipment and monitoring system has to not only monitor very extreme low amounts of pollution, but we also have to remove an extremely high amount of pollution due to the fact of burning Illinois coal. The technology involved in monitoring the extremely low amounts is incredible.
All power plants of this nature use water. It's just a matter of how much and what type of cooling they use. We have a unique system here at the facility. We collect stormwater at both the mine and the power plant, and we turn around and pump that back to this raw water impoundment. And that minimizes the amount of water we bring from the river. It's rather unique.
In my role, we take care of the coal combustion residual products. That's what's left over after we burn the coal in the power plant. We're at a site called Nearfield. It's very close to the plant. We can ship the material out by conveyor now. By eliminating the rail component, we eliminate the fuel and transportation costs and reduce the carbon footprint by about 4,000 tons per year. The Nearfield facility will provide adequate storage for 30 to 40 years worth of Prairie State production and maintain a post-closure period of 30 years and beyond where we will actually take care of this facility.
The real reason I came to Prairie State is to make a difference. This plant touches 2 million people. We've got a state-of-the-art plant. We've got state-of-the-art people. And down the line, I'd love to see 30, 50 years where people model what we do.
We're very happy that power plant came online and we are able to hire good people, and we are hoping to retain them. We want to make them to take the ownership and make us one of the best in the world. I'm not saying in the country, but in the world.
And my intent is that the Prairie State Generating Company will be recognized by our owners as very effective stewards of their precious resources. From our employee standpoint, my hopes are that the Prairie State Generating Company is the employer of choice. You know, we're not going to sacrifice the health and welfare of our employees, the community, or the environment for production or profit. Lastly, from an external stakeholder standpoint, we intend to prove all the naysayers wrong. By example, the Prairie State Energy Campus will show that coal has a place in our domestic energy portfolio for the future.